I set a new standard and stop the struggle at lasers. This is a magnet pickup stick. After you use it, it has no stand location. Look at the struggle I'm facing to put it back on the wall. Can't be doing that. So it took me 2 seconds to put these hooks on there and make a new stand location. No more struggle. It makes the job much easier, and that's how it should be. Alexandra reported a problem on the capping machine, so I said let's install a small spring, so she done that, and it seemed to work really well. But then we realised it was really wobbly, it wasn't that stable, so we set out to fix that too. So we took some small clear rubber feet which we use on the product. Now it's stable, really easy, it runs really well again. Great job. Before and after from Alex and Fraser. Put an answer where the question is asked. And Phil now has a shrink wrap dispenser. Great job. He's made a stand location for the head torch. And Jake eliminating excess motion by moving these closer in arm's reach. And also having a really good general 3S and clean up of his desk. And Adam fixing his cables, making sure they're premium and well organised. He also added some important numbers to the side of his computer, also a USB hub too. It's a great job. Alex put in the answer where the question is asked on the laser printer, also before and after on laser free, working with Damien. They cleaned it up really well, it's a great job. Cat labelling the knife, and also before and after in the tube cutting, replacing the 750 marker, making the job easier. Stuart with a box for the bracket packing labels. Now for something slightly different. We had a big problem with 3 of our lasers after some really cold freezing weather. Seems like we've got a big problem. This is the connector that goes into the head, and it's a fibre optic cable. After speaking to the manufacturer, they diagnosed it as a problem with the power supply and this yellow unit, and we must send it back across the other side of the world, which will take months. We don't have time for that, so Chris stripped it all down. We found this part, aluminium, is a water jacket for cooling, so we re-welded that, put it back in. It still didn't work. So this yellow cable is a fibre optic cable. It seems to be damaged, so we need to replace it. So I quickly learnt about fibre, and I was lucky enough to find one company in England that has a specific machine needed to refuse together big core fibre cables. And after a day's worth of trial and error, because no one knew the parameters for fusing it back together, we got it going. It was a very happy moment. So we now have 1 more laser. We're waiting for spare parts, and we need to fix 2 more still. So make sure you are persistent even if you don't know what you're doing. So great job everyone. Thank you very much.